This is an Epson battery-powered scanner. Wireless. It can also be used when charging using this micro USB cable. And via the same cable, it can be connected to a computer, a MacBook, or a Windows laptop. Very lightweight and very well built. A loophole, a button to initiate the scan. And the app is pretty intuitive. Let me save this one. All right, saved. Let me try another one and do a black and white image. The speed is amazingly fast, around 4 to 5 seconds per page. I use black and white to reduce the size, and the resolution can be low at 200 dpi or standard. I just use 300 as standard, single-sided. This is an amazing product. It can, when at home, this one can be wirelessly connected to the wireless router. And still get great results. So currently the setup is to use it directly with the iPhone. It's also pretty straightforward to use it with the computer. With the automatic feeding mode enabled, I can create one single PDF document. And let's try the color image type and resolution at 300 dpi. And won't stop unless I click the Finish button. Finish. Then it will create one single document. Extremely versatile scanner, super portable, highly recommended.